Good morning, children. Welcome to GK class. In today's class, we'll do practice questions. We'll start practice questions from page number 65. Already we have covered page number 64 in the previous video. So, children, mention your date. Date is 17.1.22 and CA. Practice questions. Questions are given here and options are there. 4 options are there. We have to select the correct option. So first question is, which of these food item is not healthy to eat? Options are apple, burger, carrot, banana. So C number is burger. Burger is the correct answer. Burger is not healthy to eat. Second, the given picture represents dash. You can see this picture. Group of island, dry lake bed, road tiles. None of these. So this picture is of dry lake bed. You can see these cracks. This is dry lake bed. Third number, which of these we do not wear when the weather is cold? Shorts, muffler, sweater, jacket. So we don't wear shorts. Answer A number. So tick answer A number, shorts. Fourth number, the vehicle in the picture is red in color and has a siren. This vehicle is used by dash. You can see this vehicle. This is red color vehicle and it has a siren. So options are given here. Policeman, principal, doctor, firefighter. So correct answer is D number, firefighter. It is used for extinguish fire. Firefighters use this to extinguish the fire. Fifth number, which animal gives us milk? Hen, cow, bee, sheep. So cow is the correct answer. Cow. C number. Which of these animal is a wild animal? A, B, C, D. You can see the picture. Tiger, cow, dog and goat. So wild animal is A number, tiger. Now turn page 66. Page 66. Name the vegetables shown in the given picture. You can see this vegetable. Options are carrot, cauliflower, brinjal, potato. So this is brinjal. So tick B number, BRINJAL, brinjal. So 8 number question, what do sheep provide us with? Eggs, honey, wool, milk. So sheep gives us wool. So correct answer is C number, wool, WOOL, wool. Ninth number, which part of a national flag is orange? So the stripe on the top, the stripe in the center, the stripe at the bottom, or the wheel in the center. So correct answer is A number, the stripe on top. So tick A number. How many spokes does the wheel in the center of our national flag have? 20, 22, 24, 26. So correct answer is 24. So tick C number, 24. The person shown in the picture is a famous personality. Identify him. You can see this picture. He is Bill Gates. C number, Bill Gates. Who wrote India's national anthem Jana Gana Mana? So options are given here. Jawaharlal Nehru, Sarojini Naidu, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So B number is the correct answer, Rabindranath Tagore. So tick B number. 30 number question, what does a car run on? Water, petrol, kerosene, cooking oil. So C number, petrol is the correct answer, petrol. Now turn page 67. Select the odd one out. Refrigerator, television, air conditioner, chair. So all the three A, B, C are the electronic gadgets and chair is a furniture. So chair is odd one out. So tick D number. 50 number, which of following is not a source of light? A is correct, this window. These all three are source of light. A is the different, it is not source of light. 60 number, in which of the following can you save the stored data? Save and store data. Answer is CD. CD, keyboard, mouse, speaker. Options are given here, so answer is CD. You can store data in CD. 70 number, which of this goes with the word bread? bread and butter. So A number, tick, butter, butter, butter. What is a group of deer called? Pack, litter, herd, crew. So B is the correct answer, herd. It is called herd, H-E-R-D, herd. 90 number, another word for brain is dash. Herd, smart, hand, mind. So D number is the correct answer, mind, M-I-N-D, mind. Which of the word rhymes with line? It is fine, F-I-N-E, fine. C number, F-I-N-E, fine. F-I-N-E, fine. Now turn page 68. We will cover up to page 69. So this is page 68. 21 number. Chota Bheem loves to eat dash, which gives him energy and makes him stronger. This is C number. This is a sweet. It is called laddu. So Chota Bheem likes to eat laddu. 22. What is the name of blue-bodied cockroach that Augie chases in the animated series? It is Didi. C number. C number is the correct answer. Okay, then 23rd number. The character shown in the picture appears in the computer animated comedy movie dash. This picture you can see. This is The Boss Baby. C number is the correct answer. The Boss Baby. Who is Scooby-Doo's best friend? Shaggy. S-H-A-G-G-Y. Shaggy. D number is the correct answer. In which game would you hit a boundary? Tennis, hockey, cricket, basketball. Options are given here. So B number is the correct answer. It is cricket. Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Match the column and select the correct option. So column 1, cricket, hockey, badminton, volleyball, and column 2, net, stick, ball, bat, and shuttlecock. So you have to match and you have to select the correct. So C number is the correct. A3, you can see cricket, A3, bat, it's correct. B3, sorry, A4, C number, A3, A is 3, it is correct. Bat, B, hockey, 2, stick, hockey stick. Then C4, C badminton is 4, shuttlecock. Then D, volleyball, 1, net. So C is the correct. C is the correct answer. So tick here C number. To which sport is Mary Kom related? A number, boxing. She is related to boxing. B-O-X-I-N-G, boxing. 28 number, which of these sports do you play with shuttlecock? Badminton. D number is badminton. Correct answer. 29 number, in a room there is a vase with flowers. 3 of the flowers are pink. If the number of blue flower is 6 more than the pink flower, then how many flowers are blue? It is 9. Answer C, 9. Now 30 number, which of the following activities takes the least amount of time? You can see A, B, C, D. So activity A is the correct answer. It takes least amount of time. The children brushing their teeth. Now 31. Which of the following number has 7 tens? 45, 57, 68 and 72. So answer D is correct answer. 72, 7, 10, 72. 32 number. Dash comes after July. Dash comes after July and before September. That is August. August comes after July and before September. So children, you have to complete till page number 69 and do it very nicely. Learn the answers thoroughly with spelling. So children, hope you like today's class. See you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.